everyone, introduce myself. My name is Ryan Rajuni. You can call me Ryan Rajuni. With NPM 24411081 class of NJ 4046. In this video, I will explain one of the topic from the leadership course, entities, leadership concepts, basic concepts, meanings, and the influential model for organizational leaders. Watch the explanation. In the introduction, leadership roles and the function refer to the various responsibility and the contribution that a leader carries are reaching an organizational to ensure both individual and the collective effectiveness. A leader does not a simple hold position of the authority. They simultaneously play multiple roles that spans interpersonal, informational, and decision domination. As originally identified by Henry Nisberg in this managerial roles framework, interpersonals, a leader acts as a figurehead, liaison, and the motivator who build and maintains relationship both inside the outside the organizational. In informationally, a leader's function as a monitor, disseminate, disseminator, and a spokesperson responsible for gathering, personalizing, and communicating relevant information, informative, and resource allocation and negation, making critical choice that shapes the direction and stability of the organization. Beyond the roles, leadership function also encompasses adopting a clear vision, management team effort with the organizational goals, developing the capability of the team member and fostering a positive and productive work culture. Unipely, ultimately, the roles and the function of the leader are the deeply interconnection. A leader who understands and balance that the responsibility effectively is a more capable of the driving long-term organizational success than one who focuses narrowly on the authority or task completion alone. The material number one is leadership basic roles and a function. Leadership role and the function refers to various responsibility and the contribution that leader carries out with him and organizational to ensure both individual and the collective effectiveness. A leader does not simply hold a position for authority, they simultaneously play multiple roles that spans interpersonal, in, informational, and decision dimensions, as originally identified by Henry Mercer uh, in his managerial role framework. Interpersonal, a leader acts as a figurant, a liaison, and a motivator who build the maintains relationship both inside outside the organization. Informally, a leader function as a monetary disseminator and a spokesperson responsible to the gathering, focusing, and the communication relevant information to right the people at the right time. Decisionally, a leader take on the take role of entrepreneur, distribution handler, research allocator, and negotiator, making critical choice that shapes its direction and stability of the organization. Beyond this role, leadership function also encompasses setting a clear vision, alignment team effort with the organizational goals, developing the capability of the member and fostering a positive, productive work culture. Ultimately, the roles and the function of the leader are deeply encourage a leader who understand and balance their responsibility effectively is a far more capable of driving long-term organizational success than one who focus narrowly on authority or or task complex alone. Back and a skill, core types, integrity, emotional intelligence, and resilience. Core skill, communication, strategy, thinking, and conflict resolution. Developing both traits and skill recruitment targets feedback, mentorship, and practice experience. A leadership versus management. Leadership sets a direction, inspires change, and influence trust. Management ensures consistency, efficiency, and the control via formal authority. Effective leader combine both knowing when to lead vision and when to manage operation. This balance enables strategy, agility, and operational excellence, improve decision quality, and foster employees management. This resilience and the sustainable organizational performance. And the material number two is definition and meaning. History perspective. Leadership concept evolved from traits focused to behavioral and situational theories. Our focus on innate qualities shifted towards learnable behavior. Understanding this evolution covers why modern framework emphasizing adaptability and the context. Temporary definition. Modern leadership emphasizing influence, purpose, and sustainability value creation. Across stakeholders, it prioritizes ethical stewardship, inclu- inclusivity, and systemic thinking, leveraging agility, collaboration, and data informed decision making to navigate complexity and drive long-term organizational impact. Culture concepts context. A leadership is shaped by societal value, norm, and organizational culture. From culture awareness influence communication, motivation, and decision making. Adaptive leadership style to culture concepts or culture context, exchange team, association, and a global activities. Model number two is a leadership model. Trait and behavior from leadership. Stress model focus on inherent quality. Behavior model says emphasizing learning action, both information selection and development. Combine insight to identify who leaders are and what they do for performance. Consistency and situational. Consistency and the situational leadership theories share a common premise that there is no single best way to lead, and that effective leadership depends heavily on context. Contingency theory by Fred Friedrich argues that leader is effectively depends on how well their natural style matches the demand of the given situation, while situation leadership theory by Hanser and Burchard takes a more flexible approach, suggesting that a leader should actively adapt their style based on the readiness and the maturing level of their followers. Bush theory highlights that factors such as complexity, follower competence, and the organizational environment determine which a leader approach will work best. Ultimately, effectively, leadership is not having one tight style, but about the ability to read the situational and relation respond with the approach the appropriate approach. Transformation and transactional leadership refers to distinct approaches to motivation followers. Transactional leadership is based on of the system of change leaders motivates followers through reward and punishment. Setting clear expectations based on performance makes it effective for maintaining sustainability and activist long-term goals. Transformational leadership goes beyond simple action by inspiring followers to transcend self-interest for a great vision, fostering creativity, growth, and the deep commitment towards the four. Idealist influence, inspiration, motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individualist consideration. While transaction leadership focus on the management existing process. Efficiently, transformational leaders focus on the change mindset and driving long-term impact. The most effective leader combine both the approach using transactional method for structure and accountability, while applying transformation quality to inspire goodness, commitment, sustainability, organization growth. Material number 3 is application and evolution. Organizational impact, leadership, drive, strategy execution, culture and stakeholder trust, impact management, retention, information risk mitigation, and financial results. Strong leadership is purpose with the measure outcome and present organizational representation during description. Access empathy, keep revenue productivity, employees experience matches engagement and turnover, and stakeholder sentiment. Combine text with qualitative insight to ensure decision deliver sustainability organization value. Assessment method, decrease feedback, psychometric assessment, simulation, and the structure perform review to evaluate leadership competence. Combine behavior interviews and the real world perform data for comprehensive insight. Triangulate qualitative and quantitative results. Ensure process are fair and development oriented. And assessment which is strategy objective to inform succession planning and target development. Development and training. Leadership development integrates coaching, experiential strategy assessment, mentoring, and target formal training to build capability at course level. Emphasis succession planning, structure feedback cycles, and measure learning outcome to accelerate learning and retention. Sustained investment for a scalable leadership people and enhance organizational agility and resilience. Conclusion: a leadership integrates behavior concepts as a model to shape organizational outcome and resilience. Effective leaders adapt style to culture and situational, balancing inspiration with the operational disciplines to drive result and trust. Priorities growth and assessment and target development to build a sustainability leadership people net aligned with the strategic goals. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.